This video is brought to you by Smart Money Parenting. Educate your kids about money. More on them at the end of this video. If you're familiar with RagingBull.com, you'll know that the creators of that started Bullseye Option Trading.com. Why? Beats me. If RagingBull.com was working so well, why make something so similar, but just with a different name? And why aren't there any more ads about RagingBull.com? Form your own opinions on that. You can decide whether they're a scam or not. In this video, I want to explore how Bullseye Option Trading and just about every other trading program makes money. This model works to perfection if you're someone who wants to do this, but let's set this up. First, you'll need a track record. Heck, you can even fake good performance or just put some disclaimer at the bottom saying results aren't typical, or past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Or the best I've seen, results are only for your motivation. So you can see these guys already know not many people will make money from their trading program. And why would they? A few $100 for something that's supposedly a gold mine? No one is going to sell out that cheaply unless it's not real. Okay, so once you have some performance record out there, use that to start marketing your revolutionary trading products. You can even say you're in Mensa so people think having a high IQ is essential for everything. You have to sound legit. Also, it doesn't hurt if you're standing in front of a big house and nice cars. People will eat that all up. The thing is, you do need a trading strategy so that there's some structure to what you're selling. Almost all these trading gurus don't actually teach you anything. What they offer is the opportunity to follow their trades. Sound familiar? Why is that? Following their trades is a no-brainer. And most people who buy these trading programs want money with little to no effort. That's the hook for many who want to be rich. Easy money. Usually there's a monthly subscription involved, so these trading gurus are collecting every month. Why are they asking you to copy their trades then? The answer is very simple. The stock market, the options market, whatever market is based on a crowd of people. This is how they operate. They place a trade and buy a stock or option. They're the first to hold that position. Then, a few minutes after they have a position on that stock or option, they send a notification to buy that stock to their members. Of course, since prices change every moment, you have to be quick with your buying or else that stock will zoom too high. During this next few minutes, this sudden rush of buying lifts the stock up dramatically. Side note here, the stock and options usually traded are usually from smaller companies or companies you never heard of. They're thinly traded, and any sudden rush in buying lifts the stock up. These trading gurus won't be able to replicate their results with large companies like, say, Bank of America or Walmart. Those companies are just too big to move with so many little players. That's why they deal with small companies. So after a few minutes, the price of their recommendation shoots up. These trading gurus will then sell their position, banking in an easy profit. The stock or option might shoot up higher for a little while, but then it will drop down. Sometimes the guru will tell their members that they got out of their trade, or sometimes they won't say anything. The trading guru is almost guaranteed a profit because they bought in before a rush of people started buying. Very few will actually make money because they would be too late to buy. Even a minute or two after the announcement is too late. In some cases, these trading gurus have friends that they will tell about their trade right before they send out their notification to their members. These friends will pocket some money just as the wave of members starts buying. You can call this strategy a pump and dump, front running, or whatever. As long as that disclaimer is there and it's made clear, they legally can do it. That's until there's too many negative reviews where they're forced to shut down. So then why charge people for the program if these trading gurus are making money this way? There are three answers for this. The first is marketing. You can have the greatest trading record in the world, but if you don't tell anyone about it, no one will know. That's where you have to market yourself. You've seen the ads everywhere. RagingBull.com, Jason Bond Training, Bullseye Options Trading, all these make money gurus. They all have to advertise and get curious viewers hooked. Just like advertising campaigns, they know only a small percentage will actually buy their program. But it's all about the numbers. And advertising to millions of people is expensive. So that's why they need that membership money to recoup their cost. The second answer is the multiplier effect, meaning the more money they collect, the more they can trade, The more money they can trade, the more money they can make. It's that simple. Imagine if these trading gurus put $500 into a stock and then push it to their members to buy. Even if they made a 100% return in a few minutes, that's literally only $500 profit. Great return, but not an exciting outcome. So by collecting all these membership fees and subscriptions, they can then put $50,000 into that same trade. They notify that trade to their members, and a 100% return is another $50,000. Now we're talking. Third reason is the psychology of a purchase. Meaning if they just offer this for free, not many people will take their advice and buy the stock they recommend. They're not invested in the product. Remember, their whole strategy is getting enough people to buy and push the stock or option up so these trading gurus can cash out fairly quickly and easily. By requiring people to pay for their product, they're weeding out the less enthusiastic traders. Because someone willing to spend a couple $100 in an attempt to get rich is more likely to follow through on each trade. Many trading gurus follow this strategy because it's easy money, and there are plenty of people who like easy money. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more, and as always, take care of your money. This episode has been brought to you by Smart Money Parenting. I created Smart Money Parenting as a way to teach parents how to educate their kids about money. By starting at an early age using incentives, habits, and money, your kids will grow up to become financially literate adults. We learn almost everything in school, but the one thing most people don't learn is simple budgeting, saving, and even investing. We're brought into a world that revolves around money, yet our kids lack the knowledge and preparation to take on that world. Let's change that. Smart Money Parenting is a course, but also an investment in your kids' future. There are details to the course in the description along with a 20% off discounts code you can use when enrolling. Give your kids the future they deserve.